Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equal to a tan t, because if I put this one go in here, you got about a square tan t square, a square, we can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify by ds. We do first the derivative for the both sides, and you got about a secant of t square dt. So I will put this one go in here. ds we change by this one. So this one you got about a square tan t square. A square we can do about factorization. This one you got about secant of t square. With the power 3 in here, you got about a to the power of 6, secant of t to the power of 6. Now we need to simplify a secant of t square on numerator and denominator. So a to the power of 5 we can put outside. This one we can write into cosine t to the power of 4. Next, cosine t to the power of 4 we can write into cosine t square, everything to the power of 2. Now we have the formula in here. Cosine t square we can change into cosine 2t plus 1 over 2. Now I will put this one go in here. And then we need to expand this one. Now I can put number 4 go outside. This one we apply the same formula in here, but now this is about cosine 40 plus 1 over 2. So this one we have 1 over 2 cosine 40 plus 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 plus 1, you got about 3 over 2. And now we have the final answer. The integration of cosine 40, you got about 1 over 4 sine 40. The integration of cosine 2t, you got about 1 over 2 sine 2t. This one you got about 3 over 2 t, and we put about c. This one, number 2 and number 4, we have 1 over 8. Number 2 and number 2 we simplify. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by a. And we got about t equals to R10 of s over a. So I will put this one to change for t. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.